Good morning. It is Thursday, May 13th, and it is only 7:30 in the morning. I just got finished dropping Mila off at school, and I am currently washing some masks because that really needs to be done. And I need to do some dishes. I have a disgusting sink full of dishes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm gonna have a second cup of coffee. And then there's something else I had. Oh, I need to clean my room today. So I really need to clean my room today because I need to film some videos, and I think it's gonna be sunny later. It's really gloomy and gray out right now, but I think it's gonna be sunny later. Hopefully it is. Regardless, I'm going to film my everyday makeup routine for you guys because I did get a request on that. And then I want to film a what's in my bag video because I also got a request for that. So yeah, that's my plan. But first I want to clean my room because it's seriously such a mess and I can't film in there when it's like such a mess. All right, so I've enjoyed my second cup of coffee and I'm ready to go put my hair up so I could get serious. And I'm gonna start by making my bed. I don't know what it is, but when my room is a mess and I'm overwhelmed and I don't know where to start, I just go with the bed. The bed is the focus of the room. It's the center of the room. And for some reason, it just making the bed and seeing that clean helps me figure out the other little things that I'm going to do. I choose small things first. This is me giving you tips for cleaning, but seriously, I have a thing with, like when a task seems too big, I won't do it because I hate failure. So if I choose little tasks first and get them completed, I feel accomplished, which helps me want to keep doing more. And then before you know it, the whole room is clean. So that's what I'm going to start with. First, I wanted to show y'all something that I picked up on the Buy Nothing group yesterday. And you guys, I can't tell you how amazing it is to be a part of this Buy Nothing group in my neighborhood. I strongly suggest that you go and search on Facebook to see if there's a Buy Nothing group in your area. Because I literally get so many free things from this Buy Nothing group. Yesterday, I posted on there, you can do wish and you can do give. So a give is like, hey, I've got this bag of clothes, women's size extra large, if somebody wants to come pick it up. And then a bunch of people comment and then you choose a winner and all that. A wish is like if you're needing something and before you go out and buy it, you're just kind of checking the neighborhood. If anybody has one, I'd be happy to take it off your hands. And if nobody has one, then you can go buy one. Well, you guys know I'm like, pinching pennies right now. I'm trying to, not spend. And I really wanted a garment steamer. For some time, I've been wanting a garment steamer. I was going to buy one on Amazon, like a handheld one. And I hadn't gotten around to it. And then yesterday when I was folding some laundry, I hung up this dress and like literally look how wrinkled it is. Oh my goodness. It's so wrinkled. And like, I have some materials that can't be ironed because ironing is a little bit too harsh for certain materials. And I was like, I really need a garment steamer, man. I'm just gonna take my chances and go ask. So I said, wish, garment steamer, please. And somebody granted my wish right away. And I was so happy. So here it is right here. It's not a handheld one. It's like a legit, like tall one. But I feel like this lady didn't even use it. Look it. It doesn't even have the cap off. Like it looks brand new. I don't really know how to use this, but I'll figure it out. I know you have to put water in here and then this is what you steam with. And yeah, I'm super excited about this, you guys, because doing fashion on YouTube, you can imagine I get a lot of wrinkly clothes and it would look so much nicer in my videos if I steamed them first. I'm so grateful to her. I told her thank you like a million times. I'm so excited to try this out. So another tip for cleaning in your house and keeping things tidy and like motivating yourself is, for me personally, I use the reward system. Yes, like a child. I use the reward system. In order to have a second cup of coffee, I had to get the dishes done. That was my reward, was a second cup of coffee. That's how I have to do things with my brain so that I can get things done. So I was like, okay, if I just do these dishes, I'll be able to have a second cup. So check, that's done. In order to try out my new thing, my new machine, which I'm very excited about, I have to clean up my room first. So yeah. The shower's already running, but I'm gonna try out this, what is it called? Loofah that I got at Dollar Tree, and it's actually from Target. And I'm gonna go and use this Bodycology Cherry Blossom Cleansing Shower Jelly with Moisturizing Shea. This is amazing, and I think they originally sell this at Walmart for a few bucks, and I found it at Dollar Tree last year. I bought a few of them because I loved it so much. And this one I've been holding on to, and now I'm ready to use it because I need to exfoliate. It's been a while since I exfoliated. But you guys, if you ever see this, it smells so good and it makes my body feel so soft. All right, so I cleared off my vanity. I wiped it down. I wiped this mirror and I cleaned the room. My purse is on the floor and that mask, because I was wondering where that mask was and I found it, and I switched my purse. And so, yeah, I'm going to bring that downstairs. But, yeah, for the most part, we are clean. These are my bathing suits I got to put in the closet. But other than that, I vacuumed, and we're looking good. So I want to try out this steamer now. I'm feeling so accomplished today, you guys, because I'm also running laundry. I folded laundry. I put it away. I did the dishes. And I filmed 3 videos. Not 1, not 2, but 3. So, yeah, and I'm wearing this in all of them. I'm just wearing a dress because I want to be comfy today, but whatever. I filmed 3 videos, and I'm feeling so good. So I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out how to work this thing. Okay, so I filled up the little tank with water. I plugged it in, and this red light came on. So I think I just have to wait for, like, steam to start coming out the top, and then it'll work or something. Oh, yeah, because the switch was already flipped to on. So, yeah, I think I just have to wait until it's heated up, and then I'm going to try it out. I've used one of these standing up kinds one time before at work when I worked at the restaurant. Look, the steam's coming out. Okay, let's try it. Oh, you can hear it. It sounds like a coffee pot. Sounds like a coffee pot of brewing. Oh, I could give myself a facial. Okay, look at how wrinkly this dress is. I'm really excited to use it on this. Let's see.
I use it. Like right
now. It's magic. Oh, this is amazing. This is so satisfying. The wrinkles just come right out. Look at this. Oh, how am I gonna hold this? Is this what this is for? Oh, I'm so silly.
Oh, steamy. It's cold. Are you looking at me? It actually is doing.
This is amazing. I'm so excited about this.
Wow. I was so excited to use this.
All right, I want to try it on this t-shirt too. This is like, well, it's not a t-shirt, it's a blouse. And it's got really different fabric.
Little blouse.
Okay, so moral of the story is this is amazing, and this is going to be a game changer for when I do clothing hauls. I'm so excited about this. It worked on this too, which is kind of like I didn't do that bottom corner part, sorry. I did it like lazy, but that's like a polyester type of blend, so it works on everything. I am just so impressed, especially with this dress. Like, look at how good it looks now. Like, it was so wrinkly, and I was like, how am I going to wear this? It's so wrinkly. I'm so excited. My new toy. I can't believe I got that for free. Like, I can't believe these people weren't using this. What? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that I have some bad news about my ring light. I broke the tripod leg. I accidentally stepped on it. Ugh. So now I need to buy a new ring light tripod because I don't have any way to connect that ring light to the tripod I have right now. So that's unfortunate, but so it's 2:13. I gotta go get my daughter in a few minutes. I am trying so hard not to fall asleep. This is the point in the day where I get super, super tired because I've just been going. And it sucks because I always want to take a nap when I have to go get my daughter. So I can't nap until I get her. And I'm so tired. But I'm trying to take off the gel polish from my toes because it's time to redo them. I already took them off my hands. And I'm using those Dollar Tree gel polish little caps. I wanted to show you guys. I only bought a 5-pack, so I only have 5. But the other ones I was able to like peel off. So I really only needed to use 5 this time, but I should get another pack. It looks all crazy, but yeah, this is, it comes with 1 large and the rest small. And I only had the 1 large for this one, so that's a small. That's why it doesn't really fit. But I have soaked cotton balls of acetone so that hopefully these will come off. And I got to repaint my toes today because they are looking crusty. But yeah, I'm just editing my video right now so I can get that uploaded today. And I'm just so tired. Hello. It is Friday. Let me turn this off, actually. This is very loud. Okay, so this morning we were super productive, got a lot done. First, I want to show you over here, the shoe closet desperately needed to be organized and cleaned. So that's what I did this morning. So we went ahead and took out all of the winter jackets and we just kept some like light jackets for Milan for school, rain jackets. I got my denim jackets and my rain jacket. I went ahead and put one of these hooks here. I got this from Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack and they're always in the garden section. These are great for organizing, you guys. And I'm hanging my purses from there so that they're not all over the ground or like just randomly on the table or the counter. And then I organized my shoes in here and decided to put the boots up here since we won't be using them as often. And the rest of the shoes are down here. This looks so much neater, you guys. It was crazy before. A couple of hats right there. And then we made this little hat wall for my husband because he usually just tosses his hats right on top of here, which I don't like. So I needed an easy place for him to just set it down once he gets home from work. I organized this drawer. I had this hiding in that shoe closet, so I got to put it to some use with like baking spatulas, little like tongs. And yeah, I just organized all of this, chip clips. And then I got to organize under the sink. So even though this looks like a little crazy, believe it or not, it's way better than it was. There's a bunch of trash in there that was just unnecessary. And basically, I just needed to make things accessible easily for our everyday stuff. So like her food is right here, her snacks are right here, and you can just lift this and grab a pod for doing the dishes, and then you can just grab a trash bag. In this bin, which I got from Dollar Tree, I have extra soaps and sponges and extra trash bags, antibacterial wipes, my stainless steel cleaner, and I have this Dollar Tree shelf here, which helps me use more vertical space, extra batteries for my trash can because I have an automatic lid, the Swiffer dusters, we got Swiffer wet jets, and then here, extra spray bottles that I couldn't fit. I'm hanging them on the pipe. Keep in mind, they are super lightweight. That's why I'm putting them on the pipe. And then of course, I always have my spray bottles here, which I love this hack. This is probably the best hack I have. Let me know if you guys want me to just make a whole dedicated Dollar Tree organizational hacks for you guys. I probably will do that. I have so many that I do. So yeah, that's amazing. That's actually a towel holder from Dollar Tree. So much better. Those were the things that I planned to get accomplished today. I told myself yesterday those are the things that I would do. So I feel great. I feel accomplished because I got those done. And now I'm gonna take a shower. I did get a video uploaded today, which is also making me feel accomplished. I also placed an Amazon order for a new ring light because that is for my business and it feels like a necessity. I needed to get a ring light. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. I can't use it. And if we're gonna keep having gloomy days, it's definitely important for me to have a light. So I did order that and it should be here tomorrow. Also found this really great deal on an earring organizer. It was only 10 bucks, you guys. And since I'm on an organizing kick right now, I figured I would go ahead and get it because look at this disaster of jewelry. Like it's literally everywhere. I don't think this system is working for me. I have so many like hook earrings now, like dangly earrings. I need somewhere to hook them onto so they all don't get like tangled into the necklaces. So I think I'm gonna keep this and this, but like I'm gonna put rings up here only. This will be like bracelets. And then I think I'm gonna get rid of these organizers or like maybe repurpose them in my makeup vanity or something. And I'm just gonna have this rotating earring and necklace holder right in the middle. And I think that would just be way more organized because this is a clutter and it's driving me nuts. I can't deal with it. Once I get organizing, like I don't want to stop, you guys. It's crazy.